Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how you can reproduce the flow of reordering on the table from the view of a customer. First, click on Self-Service. Then go to QR codes. You're now in the overview of your QR codes. Open the self-service view of a table by copying and pasting the link on your browser. Note, the customer would scan the QR code at the table. The webshop will then be displayed. Click on Place Order to start the process. Then select an item. Simply click on the item you want to add. And confirm the selection by clicking on Add. If you like, choose a few more items. Once you selected some items, click on View Order to get an overview of your items before you order. Then proceed with the order by clicking on Order. If the function Reorder via QR code on the table is enabled, the customer will be able to select Pay Later as a payment method. Now continue the order process by clicking on Complete Order. The customer will then get a confirmation for the order. To now go back to the order and order again, open the same link you have clicked on before. Note, the customer would scan again the QR code on the table. You are now able to order more items. To do so, click on Order More. By clicking on Pay Order, the customer will be directed to the checkout instead of ordering again. Note, your staff is also able to add more items to the order via the POS. Now add a new item to the order. Do so by clicking in the respective item. Then open the overview of your order by clicking on View Order. You now have an overview of your already ordered items and the items you are about to order. Click on Order to proceed. As long as your order is not completely checked out, you will be able to select Pay Later. To check out, select a payment method. Do so by setting the respective check mark. Depending on your setup payment methods, the customer might have different options to choose from. Once a payment method got selected, click on Complete Order to proceed with the payment. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know the flow of reordering on the table from the view of a customer.